Let's now go to inquiring. Let's discuss common symptoms of sense organs. For common symptoms of sense organs, for ear, deafness and tinnitus. These two conditions result from similar mechanisms and often occur together. Clinically, they could be divided into strength or deficiency. Strength deafness or tinnitus are mostly due to flaming upward of liver fire or dampness heat in the liver and the gallbladder. The clinical features are abrupt onset of deafness and tinnitus that persist and are accompanied by thirst, a red complexion, a red tongue with yellow coating, and a rapid and forceful pulse. Deficiency deafness and tinnitus are mostly due to insufficiency of liver blood, deficiency of liver and kidney yin, or abnormal ascent of liver yang. The clinical features are gradual onset of deafness and tinnitus, persistent course with frequent remissions, dry irritation of both eyes with decline in visual acuity, and a pale tongue, or there are dizziness, hotness in the five centers, a red tongue, and a thread-like and rapid pulse. For earache, this is mostly due to dampness heat or to the heat evil attacking the ear. There are often inflammation of the ear or drainage of pulse. For eye itch, these mostly due to blood insufficiency, strong fire or wind heat, mild itch with a pale complexion, a pale tongue, and a thread-like feeble pulse indicates blood insufficiency, hence failure to nourish eyes. Severe itch with inflamed sclera, a red tongue with yellow coating, and a rapid pulse indicates fire heat. Extreme itch of both eyes with light sensitivity and tearing indicates wind heat. For dry and irritated eyes, this is mostly due to insufficiency of liver blood or insufficiency of liver and kidney yin. In either case, the mechanism is the eyes losing their nourishment because of insufficiency of yin blood. Eye distension, this is subjective sensation of internal pressure forcing the eye to stretch. If accompanied by inflammation of the sclera, eye strain, a red tongue with yellow coating, and a rapid pulse is due to exogenous wind heat. If accompanied by a bitter taste and a dry throat, distension and pain in the flanks, and a taut pulse, it is due to flaming upward of liver fire or abnormal ascent of liver yang. And for night blindness, this is mostly due to insufficiency of liver blood and deficiency of liver and kidney yin, so that the eyes lose their nourishment. Thank you for your attention.